Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to dive into how to enable daily spending summaries via notifications on Bright. Do you want a quick recap of your spending each day? Well, here's how to enable daily spending summaries in Bright. Start by opening the Bright app and tap it into your accounts using, of course, your credentials. And once you're in, tap on your profile icon. Then go to settings and then select notifications. Scroll to the section that's labeled spending summaries. Now toggle on daily summary. You're gonna get the option to choose your delivery time, like 9 p.m. daily, or any time that works best for you. This alert will include total spend for the day, number of transactions, largest single transactions, and exactly how you're tracking against your budget. You can also choose to receive these summaries via push, email, or both. Just one alert, you stay informed, accountable, and in charge of your daily finances. That's pretty much it for the video, guys. Hope you liked it. Hope you found the information here useful enough. If you did, like, share, and subscribe for more Bright features that make money management effortless. Thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.